Hello everyone, welcome back to Student Diary. Today, once again, I have brought one more interesting video for all of you related to Sanskrit. I want to ask everyone, have you ever heard about the story about the greedy fox? Please let me know in the comment section those all who have heard about the greedy fox who was very hungry and wanted to go to the jungle, and he sees some grapes there and he wants to eat them, but he is not able to eat. So he says that the grapes are sour, they are not tasty, right? Today we are going to do the similar story. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, today we are going to do the fourth lesson, and this is from the Deepakam textbook for grade 7. Okay, so this is the fourth chapter, and the title of the chapter is Na Labhyate Chet Amlam Drakshafalam. Na Labhyate means do not get, Na Labhyate means do not get, Chet means then, Amlam means sour, Draksha phalam means the grapes. So this is a story that in which the grapes are sour because the fox was not able to eat those grapes. I hope that everyone has heard this story in your childhood, maybe in your grade 1 or maybe in nursery school also you must have heard about this story. So today also we are going to do this story, but that here is a twist. The story is in the form of a poem. So, for the first time in Sanskrit, we are seeing a poem other from shlokas. So, always we have seen that poems are in the form of shlokas in Sanskrit, right? Today, we are actually doing the poem in Sanskrit, and it's going to be super interesting. I am very excited for it. Let's start the chapter. And first of all, I want to say that please keep your stationery, pen, pencils ready with you so that you can write the meanings with me. That will be very, very helpful to all of you. You will be able to remember the chapter for a longer time. And I don't want my students to sit idle also. You will not feel lazy. Okay, so let's start. There is some conversation going on. Priya Chhatraha etat chitram pashyantu chitre kim asti. Priya Chhatraha means dear student. So we get to know that this is the teacher here and these are the students here. Okay, so Priya Chhatraha means dear students. Dear students. Etat means this. Chitra means picture. So he is holding some picture, right? This picture is there in his hand. Pashyantu means see or look. So he is telling that, dear students, please look at the picture. Chitre kim asti. Chitre means in the picture. So picture I have written here. So it's chitre. It is in Saptami Vibhakti. So it will become in picture. Okay. So for picture I'll be writing P. In picture, kim asti. Kim means what all. So he is asking the students that if this is the picture, then what all you can see in this? Asti means is. Okay. So the students are students. They'll be replying, Mahodya, Chitre, Vrikshaha asti. Mahodya means sir. Chitre means in picture. Okay. Vrikshaha means tree. Asti means is. So in the picture, we can see a tree. Now, the other girl is also saying, see, this girl, Mahodya, Shrigalaha asti, Draksha falani api santi. Mahodyaha means sir, Shrigalaha means jackal. So here they are not using the fox, they are using the jackal here. Asti means is. So here, jackal she can see. Draksha falani means the grapes. Api means also. Santi means are. So she is telling that grapes are also there and jackal is also there. Now, the sir is asking again, Bahu Samyak, very good. Shrigalaha Kim Karoti, jackal. Shrigalaha is jackal, we have already written. So I'll write only a J for him. Kim means what? Karoti means does. So he is asking that what is he doing? Now the students are replying again. This boy is replying. Acharya Shrigalah Draksha Falani Khaditum Ichchati Kintu Na Shaknoti. Acharya means also sir. Mahodya means also sir. Shrigalah means jackal, RJ. Draksha Falani means grapes. Khaditum Ichchati means want to eat. Want to eat. Kintu means but. Na Shaknoti means cannot. So they know the story, right? That they know the story already. That's why, see, they are so happy also while telling the answers. Oh, bhavantah katham jananti. Sir is also surprised. Oh, bhavantah means you all. Katham means how. Jananti means no. So sir is asking that how do you know that he wants to eat the grapes but he was not able to eat? Now this girl is replying, Mahodaya vayam etam katham matribhashaya shrutvanta. Sir, vayam means we. Etam katham means this story. Matribhasha means native language or you can say mother tongue. Which color I should write? Black color? Let me try. Yeah. Mother tongue. Okay, Matrubhasha means mother tongue. Shrutvantaha means heard. So this girl is telling that we have heard about this story in our mother tongue. Bahu samichinam, very good. Trahi, Sanskrit bhashayam etam katham Gita Rupen gayamah abhinyam cha kurmah. So now sir is saying that Trahi means then. Sanskrit Bhashaya means in Sanskrit language. I hope everyone understands the meaning of this word in Sanskrit language because it is yam. That means it is used in Saptami Vibhakti. So it's in Sanskrit language. Etam Katham means this story. This story. Geet Rupen means in a form of song. Okay. Geet Rupen means song form, like in the form of a song. Gayamaha means sing. So we will sing this story in the form of a song. That's what I was telling you in starting. It is a poem. Okay. Uh, abhinyam, abhinyam cha kurmaha. So abhinyam means act, cha means and, kurmaha means do. So they are saying that we will sing this poem in the form of a song and also we will act. So that is going to be very interesting, like a role play they are going to do. Then this student is telling, Astu Acharya Kirpya Pathyatu. Astu means okay, Acharya means sir, Kirpya means please, Pathyatu means read. So the students are saying that, okay, sir, please read it for us. So let's see how they are reading. Wow, they have given so beautiful picture about the poem, right? So let's start the poem. So this is the jackal who looks actually very hungry and tired, right? Let's see. Ekah Shrugalah. Ekah means one. Shrugalah means jackal. We have already written these meanings, right? Ekah Shrugalah Vanam Gachati. Vanam means forest. Gachati means goes. So here Ekah Shrigalah we have written in the previous line. That's why I am not writing again. So it's telling that one jackal is going to the forest. Pipasa tasya bubhuksha. Pipasya bubhukshya vanam gachati. Pipasa means thirst. Pipasa means thirst. Tasya means his. Bubhuksha means hunger. So he was hungry also, he was thirsty also. Pipasya, it is in Tritya Vibhakti. Pipasa was the root word and Pipasya is in Tritya Vibhakti. So it's like with thirst. Okay, with thirst. Fine. Bubhukshaya means with hunger. With hunger. Fine. Vanam gachati means we already know to go to the forest. So till here the meanings are there that one jackal is there, he goes to the forest, he is thirsty, he is hungry. Then with his thirst and hunger, he goes to the forest. I hope everyone has understood till here. Please give a big thumbs up if you are enjoying the video, you are understanding the chapter nicely. And one small request also that please subscribe to the channel. It will be very helpful to you also and it will motivate me also to give you more videos as soon as possible. You will get more notified whenever the new video will come and you will not miss any video. Okay, so let's go for the next line. Saha vanam gachati, saha vanam gachati. Saha means he. So who is he here? The jackal. Vanam gachati meaning we know goes to the forest, goes to the forest. Because it is a poem, that's why it is in the form of a rhyme and it is like again and again they are repeating the same sentence because they have made it in the form of a song. Tatra gachati kim api na labhate. Itaha api gachati kim api na labhate. Tatra means there. Gachati means goes. Kim api means anything. Kim api means anything. Na means not. So if not anything is there, that means nothing. Labhate means gets. So he goes there, he does not get anything. Itaha api gachati. Ita means here. Api means also. So there are two words here, itaha and api. Here also, gachati means goes. Kim api na labhate, does not get anything. The same thing here, does not get anything. He goes there, he does not get anything. He goes here, he does not get anything. Okay. Shrantah jayate, khinnah jayate. Shrantah means tired. Jayate means becomes. Khinnaha means irritated. So, because he is hungry, because he is thirsty, and he is roaming around in the forest, he did not find anything to eat. So, he became tired and he got irritated. Right? Jayate is becomes, it will come many times. So, you can write it one times, always it will give you the same meaning. Fine. Saha shrantah jayate, khinnaha jayate. It is the same thing again. He gets tired, he gets irritated. Kimcha karoti, saha kimcha karoti. Kim means what? Cha means and, karoti means does. So what he does now? What should he do now? What he's going to do now? Again and again because it is a poem. Let's go for the next paragraph. वामतः पश्यति दक्षिणतः पश्यति अग्रतः पश्यति पृष्ठतः पश्यति. I'm enjoying reading it. I hope everyone is also enjoying reading it with me. So vamatah means left, pashyati means sees, dakshinatah means right, pashyati means sees. So basically he is seeing towards his left, towards his right. Agratah means in front. Pashyati means again sees. Prishthatah means behind. Pashyati means see. So it's like he is seeing in his left, he is seeing in his right, he is seeing in front, he is seeing behind, but he's not getting anything. So tired it is. Svedah jayate, Trisha jayate. Svedah means sweaty. He got full of sweat. Jayate means becomes. So it's like he becomes sweaty. Trisha means thirsty. Thirsty. Jayate means become. So he is becoming more and more thirsty because he became more sweaty because he is tired. Right? Tasya Svedah jayate, Trisha jayate. So he is getting sweaty, he is getting thirsty. Kimcha pashyati saha kimcha pashyati, kimcha pashyati saha kimcha pashyati. And what does he see? So the meaning of this full is that, and what does he see? So let's see what he's going to see now because he's very tired now. So I can see him getting fully tired and sweaty, right? So let's see what does he see. I hope everyone has understood this one. Cha means and, pashyati means sees, and kim means what. So like, what does he see? Okay, pashyati draksha latam. Oh, pashyati means sees, draksha means grape, and lata is vine. So grape vine he is seeing. Okay, the vines are there, right? Grape vines, climbers, correct? Saha pashyati draksha phalam. Saha means he, pashyati means sees, and finally he is saying the grapefruit. Correct? Grapefruit means the grapes he is seeing. Correct? A lot of grapes are there. Let me know in the comment section who will all like grapes as their favorite fruits. Upari upari latasu drishyate cha tat phalam. Upari upari means up, up. It's like they are very high. Latasu means it is in Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan, so it's like in climbers, like high, high in climbers. Drishyate means sees, cha means and, tat phala means that fruit. Okay, so what is happening that he is seeing the grapevine first, then on up, up because the vines are starting here from here, but the fruits are like very high, right? So on the climbers, he is seeing the fruit. Anukshanam tanmukhe rasah jayate. Anukshanam means at that moment, immediately basically, at that moment, or you can say immediately. I am also feeling hungry by seeing those many grapes. Seriously, anukshanam means immediately. I am also getting water in my mouth. Tanmukhe means in his mouth. I will write here. I'm writing a number 2 here and I'm writing the meaning here too. In his mouth. mukh is mouth, tan is like his, so it is in Shashti Vibhakti, like in his mouth. Rasaha means water here, and we can say nectar or saliva or anything. Jayate means get. So it's like at that moment only he gets water in his mouth. His mouth, he becomes greedy of the fruit. Kim cha karoti, saha kim cha karoti, and then what he does. And then what he does. So when he got water, when he saw first the fruit, and then he got very, like, he just wanted to eat them, he became greedy, and then what he does. So let's see what he does. एकवारम उत्पतति द्विवारम उत्पतति त्रिवारम उत्पतति पुनः पुनः उत्पतति. एकवारम means one time. Utpatati means jumps. Oh, okay. Now he started jumping to it. Dvivaram means second time. Second time. Utpatati means jump. So he is jumping once, he is jumping twice. Trivaram means third time. Third time. Utpatati meaning is same everywhere, jump. So he is jumping again. Punaha punaha utpatati. Punaha punaha means again and again. Again and again he is jumping. He jumped once, he jumped twice, he jumped thrice, and then again and again he was jumping. Svedaha jayate tasya shramaha jayate. Svedaha jayate means, swed means sweaty, right? So he becomes sweaty. We have done this line before. Let me know in the comment section if you are remembering it. He gets sweaty. Tasya shramaha jayate. He gets tired also. He gets tired. Shramaha means tired. So he was getting sweaty again, more and more. He was already hungry, he was already thirsty, and then on the top of that, he was jumping also. So he became more thirsty and more sweaty. Then he get more tired. Kim kathyati saha kim kathyati. Kathyati means tells or says. Then what does he say? What does he say? Let's see what he says. आम्लं द्राक्षाफलम आम्लं द्राक्षाफलम इति एवं कथ्यति सह पलायते इति एवं कथ्यति सह पलायते. Amlam means sour. Drakshafalam means grapes. So grapes are sour, grapes are sour. Iti evam kathyati, like this, like this. Iti evam means like this. Kathyati means says. Saha palayate. Saha means he. Palayate means runs. He runs. He goes away. Iti evam kathyati. He says like this. He runs. So, because he was not able to get the fruit, the grapefruit, he told that the grapes are sour. Because his greed was not fulfilled. He was, oh, we have finished also. So, this story is telling that because he was unable to get the fruit, he told that fruits are only not good. So, he was not ready to blame himself. He wanted to blame the fruits only, that the fruits were not good enough. He was not blaming his capacity to get them. He was not able to get. So he told that grapes are not worthy of eating. I hope everyone has enjoyed the poem. It is the first time we have seen any poem written in Sanskrit for 7th, 8th graders, and it was very beautiful to read that, and it was very easy to understand. I hope everyone found it very easy to understand. Please go through the poem once again and see that if you have understood it nicely or not, and if you have not missed any meaning. And if you feel that you have missed any meaning, go through the video once again, see where the gaps are there, and try to understand that nicely. Okay, so we will stop our today's video here only. But before going, one request, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified whenever a new video comes. And it also motivates me to give you more videos as soon as possible. And please share it with your friends in case they are also looking for help in Sanskrit. And please do the comments also, that whether you're liking the videos or any suggestions are there, or you feel that any particular topic on which I should make the video, please let me know that also in the comment section. So we'll stop our today's video here only. I'll see you soon with some more videos on Sanskrit. Till then, keep learning Sanskrit. Take care. Thank you.